When NOKTA released the original Legend, it changed the game for multi-frequency detecting, and now they're back with the Legend 2. And the question everyone's been asking, what took so long? Now I'm sure you remember this. While the official release date hasn't been announced, it's realistic to expect that NOKTA will not miss out on the opportunity to capitalize on Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales. And as we know, Christmas arrives shortly after that. Now clearly I was a bit optimistic, but here's the thing, NOKTA wasn't willing to rush it. There were aspects of the Detector that they simply weren't happy with, and instead of pushing a product out the door to hit a sales deadline, they took the time to get it right. And that's the kind of commitment to quality that sets them apart. So today, we're unboxing the Legend 2, the Detector that NOKTA refused to compromise on. From the refined build to the new features that they've engineered, we're going to break down everything that you need to know. Whether you're considering an upgrade from the original Legend or you're looking at this as your next Detector, let's open it up and see what was worth the wait. And for my Australian viewers, if you're serious about the Legend 2 or any Detector in the NOKTA lineup, do yourself a favour and reach out to Detector. They're the official Australian distributor and absolute experts when it comes to the NOKTA products. You'll be in good hands with them. They're great people. So let's get started. Opening the box, the first thing I see is the carbon fibre two-piece shaft. It's got a cam lock and red locator strips. Feels quite nice. This little bag of goodies contains the Wallace headphone instructions, the charging cable and arm cuff strap. I don't really have much use for an arm cuff strap, I don't use them at all, and the coil bolt and grommets. The next item is the adjustable arm cuff. It's got the NOKTA logo on the side, and underneath, as you'll see, it has a cam lock. In this protective pouch, we have the Wallace headphones, and from my experience, these Wallace headphones are absolutely magnificent. Well, here we go, it's time for the big show. We've got the control head. Feels very light and looks and feels like quality. Turning it over to the back here, we can see the charging port, coil port, flashlight and speaker. Turning it over, we can see the increased real estate we've got on that screen. Feels light too. Here we have the two new coils, the LD21 and the LD28. Alright, let's go ahead and put it all together. First of all, let's get our coil washers and coil bolts ready, and we'll put those to the side. Next, let's put the lower part of the carbon shaft into the upper shaft, ensuring that they're aligned properly. If it doesn't feel tight enough, simply adjust the shaft so you get that positive click. Wow, that's quite a firm fit. It's not going anywhere. Next, attach the arm cuff slide it on to what your preference is and click the cam lock. It has quite a firm positive action. Certainly won't be slipping. Place the rubber grommets into the coil ears. Next, unravel the coil cable. We have already inserted the rubber grommets into the coil ears, and now we just need to simply slide the bolt through and secure it. Here you see me rotating my metal detector to wrap the coil cable around it, then locate the port and simply insert. Finger tighten, then push it back in again, tighten, push it back in one last time, and remember, only finger tighten. So there it is, all done. Let's take it outside and have a really good look. As you can see, this one's been optioned up with a Reptile Wraps coil cable cover. Coil cable covers are available from my Everyday Detectorist store on eBay and any good quality online vendor.